So we got a handle here that's got a strip nut on it. As you can see, it's broke right here. See that? So, plus it doesn't have any way to lift the thing, so we're gonna just change this whole thing out. Obviously, I'm gonna use this Universal Fluid Master Perfect Fit toilet tank lever. We'll use one of those. The thing is to put this in. You can just hand tighten that pretty much. At first, give it a little extra turn there, so it's tight. All right, and you just clip this into place here, and we got some good slack on it there. We'll let it fill, and then when I flush, it should give me a good flush. Pretty easy to do. These are great because you can turn the alignment and get it right where you want it, no matter what angle the toilet's on. So these are great for that. Get them lined up right where you want them. When this fills up, we'll check it out. There it is. Flush. Ah, perfect. That was a great flush. That went up and down perfectly. We'll do it one more time, just to be sure. Perfect. Okay. Stays up, drops. Perfect alignment. There we go.